blue skies. A kind-hearted young man lived in a quiet village. His name was Hinata, and he always brought smiles to the villagers. Yota's daily routine was to get up when the morning sun rose and take a walk in the beautiful nature around the village. He is captivated by the spreading green grassland, colorful flowers, and the blue sky. One day, Yota stepped deep into the forest. "Because I heard that there is a legendary fountain that the villagers tell. It was said that if you dip your feet in the spring, all your worries and fatigue in your heart will be healed." Yota decided to find the spring. As he walks through the forest, Yota finds a small path. On both sides of the road, cute little birds and small animals were playing, as if they were smiling at him. Yota stopped involuntarily, closed his eyes and enjoyed the sound. As I went further, a spring with a beautiful light suddenly appeared in front of me. The water surface is quiet and transparent, surrounded by colorful flowers. Yota looked at the scenery in admiration and slowly approached the spring. When he immersed his feet in the water, his heart suddenly became lighter and he was enveloped in a calm feeling. The feeling that all anxiety and worries are disappearing spreads, and I can't help but smile. Wonderful moments in my memories and the smiles of my loved ones came to mind one after another. The water in the spring was not just water, but it gently washed away his heart. Yota did so for a while, and the surrounding scenery felt more vivid, and he was immersed in a feeling of peace from the bottom of his heart. When he returned to the village, he also told the people of the village about the spring from that day. Then everyone became interested and went to the forest with Yota. By touching the water of the spring, everyone was able to heal the fatigue of the heart and gain new strength. The village became more and more lively and full of smiles. Yota sometimes learned the importance of resting his mind in nature. The journey to find connections with people, the beauty of nature, and peace of mind always goes on. The people of the village named the spring Spring of Peace and cherished it as a place to heal each other together. In this way, Yota and the people of the village continued their long journey, reaching out to each other in search of peace, feeling the small happiness of every day. The end.